how to turn on dark mode in Google Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the appearance of Gemini for a better look? Then you're in the right place. You can easily turn on the dark mode in your Gemini. So let's dive right in. Head over to your Google Chrome and then search for gemini.google.com. So open it up and then you'll see three lines on the top right, top left. Go ahead and tap on it and then go to settings and help and go to theme. Now tap on dark. And there you go. It's as simple as that to turn on the dark mode in your Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.